Service Bulletin Classics. Today in our Service Bulletin library, once again we are going to go with Lawn Boy. Lots of interesting reading in this manual. Lawn Boy, Service Bulletin number 23, November 1962, Muffkin Gasket. Some instances of burning and short life have been encountered with the part number 604044 Muffkin Gaskets used on models 5230, 7251, 8220, 4300, and early production models of 5231, 7252, 8221, and 4301. A new improved gasket made of asbestos material is now being used in production and is available as a service part under part number 604516. This new part, shown in the illustration below, should be used for all future service replacements. Important. It is our desire to replace the stock of part number 604044 in the field with part number 604516. Any part number 604044 Muffkin gasket in stock should be removed and returned to your contract parts distributor for replacement. In conclusion, but first, the fire is dying out. Let me stoke the fire with some more wood. What have we learned today? That back in 1964, November, that they had an inferior part fail and they decided to replace it with an asbestos material, which today we know is cancer causing. Isn't that something? That back in those days, they would put asbestos in everything. So, you grass rats out there, if you're restoring these old vintage lawnmowers, you need to be aware of that asbestos material being used in that muffkin gasket. So make sure you take care when handling something like that. Also, they used asbestos in many gaskets back in those days. So when you're restoring these older machines, you need to take proper care when handling these gaskets. They could be made of asbestos. So, stay tuned for more Service Bulletin Classics on this YouTube channel. And as always, there's your dinner. This was a very, very bad dinner today. This dinner was toxic today.